In this video, we're going to take a look at attachments. So here you can attach a downloadable file or download link to your campaign. We can see over here we've got our default placeholder for an attachment. So let's click on it to edit. And we can see right away that we can change the default text if you want to. It's just a case of keying it in. And we see over here on the right hand side, this is where we attach the file that we wish to download when the user clicks on it. So let's click on Attach File. So in this example, we've got our new prices over here, and this is a PDF file, or alternatively, if you've got a file on your computer, you can just click on Upload File at the bottom to attach it. Let's select this file here. Okay, perfect. You can see that Prices 2026 PDF has been added as a download link to this button, and by default the file name has been appended to the end. But remember, you've got complete customization over the text that displays in here, so you can have it showing just how you want. In addition to that, you've got your Styles tab over here. This will enable you to customize the look and the style of the download button, so we can change the font text and associated colors. So perhaps let's give it a nice background color. Great, and then we've got our familiar button options to set the sizing of it. So at the moment we can see this is full width. We can perhaps set it to fit text, so this shrinks the button size. Or for complete flexibility, you can use the drag handles to adjust that button size. So here we've made it a little bit taller, just so it stands out a bit more. And down at the bottom here, you can change the border on this button. And finally, you have the display options, whether this is going to hide or show on mobile or desktop, and also the main background color for the row. Okay, that's a quick look at attachments and how to upload a file which is going to attach to your campaign.